Scale and dimension in drafting? I wonder what's that and what it's all about.
Hey Abigail, why are you here? Are you on your vacation? What's with that expression?
Our property give us a task to research about scale and dimension, and I don't know where to start.
Scale and dimension. Let me help you. Oh look, I found a video. Let's watch this.
Scale usually refers to the adjustment of size, which is either the reduction or magnification of real-life objects while maintaining its proportion. It allows us to accurately measure sites, buildings, spaces, and details into a small or more practical size than the original. For us to do it, we have to use triangular scale. In drafting, dimension is a number with unit that shows the size, shapes, and position of a part in a technical drawing. Dimensions are shown using lines, arrows, and numbers to give details for length, width, height, diameter, and area, like this.
And I have a triangular scale.
Wow! Wait, let me note that. The scale and dimensioning are important in drafting because they ensure that the drawings accurately represents the size and proportions of the objects. The scales allows large or small objects to be drawn on paper in a manageable size while maintaining correct proportions. Dimensioning provides precise measurements to make it clear how big or small each part is. Together, they help observers understand the design clearly and enable accurate constructions and manufacturing.
Parts of scale and dimension. The first part of scale is full scale. Full scale is when the drawing has the same size as the actual object. The ratio is 1:1. The second part of scale is reducing scale. Reducing scale is when the drawing is smaller than the actual object. The examples are 1:2, 1:5, and 1:10. The third part of scale is enlarging scale. Enlarging scale is when the drawing is larger than the actual object. The examples are 2:1, 5:1, and 10 by 1. The fourth part is scale ratio. Scale ratio is the numerical relationship between the drawing size and the actual size. And the last part is graphic scale. Graphic scale is a bar on line drawn on the plan that shows the scale visually. Parts of dimension. The first part of dimension is dimension line. Dimension line is a line with arrowhead that shows the extent and direction of a dimension. The second part is extension line. Extension line is a line that extends from the object outline to indicate the points being measured. The third part is arrowheads. Arrowheads are symbols placed at the ends of dimension lines to show limits. And the last part is leader line. Leader line is a thin line with an arrow pointing to a feature.
How to apply scale and dimension in drafting. To apply scale in drafting, first, measure the actual size of the object, such as by using a ruler and then calculate the scale size by multiplying or dividing by the scale factor. Next, draw the object using scale size and always indicate the scale on the drawing. For example, writing scale 1 to 2 or scale 0.5 near the title block or border. In dimension are used to clearly show the size and location of object on the drawing. To apply dimension properly, use extension line to connect the object's features. Add a dimension line and then place the measurement value on top of the line. This makes the drawing clearly and easy to understand. In short, applying scale makes drawing accurate and proportion, and applying dimension communicates the exact size, location of every part. Both are essential in drawing for clarity and precision.
Here are some important reminders for scale and dimension in drafting. Use the correct scale. Choose a scale appropriate to the size of the object and drawing sheet. Example, 1 by 100 for buildings and 1 by 10 for small parts. Consistency. Apply the same scale across the entire drawing unless noted otherwise. Label clearly. Always indicate the scale used on the title block or below the drawing. Avoid overcrowding. Select a scale that keeps the drawing clear and readable. Do not distort proportions. Scaling must maintain the actual ratio of length, width, and height. Use scale tools properly. When using a scale ruler, make sure you are reading the correct side.
I wonder what... and I don't know where to start.
And I don't know when to start.
The skills allows large or small and clearly and enable to tapos na.
Scale in dimension? What is all?
Lingam guli 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 wacha lingam guli.